Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to install the Simple Trainer for GTA 5. It's a mod actually that can help you enjoy your game a little bit more. So this is going to be the site www.gta5/mods.com. It has this a little bit addition right there, so just pause the video and copy this link, okay? So a little bit of reminder, if you're using your laptop for an iOS or rather a MacBook or any other devices rather than a PC or a Windows OS, which is I'm using right now, please stay on the video because it's literally the same process, okay? So with this one, this should be the updates for the previous time, and this is the brief introduction of the game, or rather the mod. Simply click on download with this, okay? Once you click on download, it will automatically go to your system or PC with the RAR file right there. It should look like this over here, right there, okay? So once you extract that one, just open up your document file and go to your GTA directory. If you can find it, it should look like this one. So local disk C or whatever or wherever pathway you installed your Steam to. If it's local disk C, please click on that. If it's C, click on it, okay? So with this one, click on program files. We're gonna look for our directory of GTA 5 right now. So once you can't find it, it's a lot right there. Click on S. Let me just go back. Once I click on X, I have Steam right there, another letter S. I want to go for Steam apps and common right there. You'll see GTA 5. Now we just arrived on the directory of GTA 5, and basically the next thing we want to do is of course duplicate another folder because we're gonna drag the files right here. So I extracted the RAR file earlier to my desktop. As you can see, I have trainer right there, reference, and other changes right there. Now, I don't want to click on readme over here or rather I don't want to transfer readme. It's a Word document. I don't need that for GTA 5. And I'm just going to click on it for you guys to view. So click on this, this one, another for this 4, and just transfer them, copy them on this directory of GTA 5 we just opened, okay? So if you just want a quick browse right there, it's just a how to install it properly, okay? What to expect, how to use it. So once you copy that one, just escape, remove that one, and just play GTA 5 from now on. You'll have this Simple Trainer mod installed from now on, okay? So a shout out to this user who made this mod. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit that button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.